Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm unboxing a kitchen essential I've been meaning to grab, the NutriBullet Personal Blender in grey color. Yes, if you're into smoothies, shakes, or quick food prep, you're going to love this. Let's get right into the box. Inside, you get the 600-watt power base, which feels super sturdy and compact. You also get a 24-ounce blender cup, perfect for single servings or quick blending on the go. There's a twist-on extractor blade, and of course the user guide and a recipe booklet to help you get started. Guys, this is the old one, this is the new one. This one is definitely bigger than this one. I love the simple space-saving design. It doesn't take up much room on the countertop, and the grey color is sleek and neutral. The 600-watt motor might be small, but don't let that fool you. It's powerful enough for frozen fruits, veggies, and even ice. It's also great for smoothies, sauces, and meal prep without the noise of a full-size blender. Yeah. Alright, let's give it a test. I'm making a quick smoothie using banana, cocoa powder, natural peanut butter, a splash of almond milk, flax seed, and ice cubes. I popped the ingredients into the cup, twisted on the blade, and set it on the base. All it takes is a gentle push and twist. Super easy to use. It blended everything in seconds and the texture was smooth. No chunks, no fuss. So if you're looking for a compact and reliable blender for everyday use, the NutriBullet 600-watt is such a good pick. It is fast, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone on the go. If you want to grab one, I've linked it below, so check the description below for the link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're a smoothie lover too. And guys, anticipate, Blends by Tweetie start on the 6th of August 2025, so I'll be using this blender a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye!